Ayan, so for today's video, may nagtatanong po sa akin kung ilan nga daw po yung aking solar panel. So meron po akong tatlong solar panel, yung dalawa is 100 watts, yung isa naman is 120 watts. Yung 120 watts is connection ko po ng aking light connection. Yung 200 watts naman is connection naman po ng ating appliances connection o yung outlet connection po natin. Ayan guys, nag-washing po tayo, no? Ayan. Ayan. So, 320 watts yung kabuuan po ng aming solar setup. Ayan. So, ito yung aking setup guys, no? Ayan. So, dito nakakonect yung 120. Dito po nakakonect yung 200 watts. So, ginawan ko po ito ng automatic cut-off load. Ayan. So, once na nag 11.8 yan, is automatically na mag-shutdown yung ating 220.